started my climbing journey in back 2015. I have climbed Mount Everest back in 2018, May 19. So it took me about 45 days to be a female working as a female guide or female trekking guide. It's like compared to male, it's like quite difficult. We have to face like lots of things. Personally, individually, I have trained like around 30 to 40 female, and for the procedure, I want to set them like climbing for everyone. The procedures is like nothing more. They just, if they are interested, everyone is welcome.